Hey, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you've been with me for a while, thank you for all of your support. If you're new here, hey, I hope you hit that like button and share this video with some of your friends. That way they can be informed of my channel. I post videos helping people over the age of 40 decrease their pain and increase their posture, all with workouts ranging from TRX, where I post short videos on maybe how to do a chest press, how to adjust your straps, and things that are either a mobility or a strength training exercise using the TRX. Also, I have stability ball workouts using just the ball itself and weights. I usually post short video tutorials on them weekly. And Pilates. Now, over on my channel, I have a playlist for beginner Pilates for you that are just starting out and you need to learn all of the basics. That playlist is going to be tailored just for you. Hey, if you know somebody looking to start a fitness journey this year, make sure you share my channel with them. And I look forward to moving with you. Until next time, have a great rest of your day. See you on your mat. Bye.